Omanya ye woman is a won ensem ememeto abonti anase wunti a woyonko ena so edia ene wu secret nyoma wo ye nusuma se nyoma chese wo ya entwe ye nyade so wo beka na the moment a wo betia ne na so se kim ana wo beye bibia wo no ne bo enyo so enko a ede ene hona na abehu wo the phone camera si nanim na ne wo biebie wonsem eso na nipa so mesi otise nipa so mesi oyese nipa so mesi no oyese ene oyese na dodo na adwen mu atena se kase enti se munim ana se wunim pepe se nipa mene ne esan ana se nipa mene ne koba na nipa wote ha nipa so mesi ana wo benten wo ye no ma bi se wo suma se na wunim se embo a adenti na wo betwen se ne wonsem ana wunim benya enchewahwe bi ansana waye wadwen se wo beka ne nsem no de atudwa ma dodo na ada wo mu ehu eso na ebusuafo de tia ememe kasa ense we nyina eyesem ene dayi yen ankasa ye nua bema eye Calvin Ekwotela wodin simbi ababatu edwa de afa yen papa Dr. Kwaku Otin ena ebiemu ensuso no yen papa Ose Kwame despite ehum na ebusuafo ne nsem wodi etu edwa nyina ene se adonko product no eye very dangerous ene ebiemu ensuso no eye deadly eno na ekunkum mabunu no mrantie ni titiru eno na ekunkum wo mo edefrat as for asase no enti FDA for any penny for enshe na wo mu hwehwem na wo mo ye nusuma si enyina no wo no wonim ye papa Ose Kwame despite mo nyo ma agency an ase wo mo edwuma kakra yi wo mo ye ya no na ma wo abeda na ye business move na se ama wo mo agidin wo mo nyo ma wo mo eye no wo esum asem enti se wo mo anhwe na wo mo anyai sa no ma na wo mo eye no pan ede ni wo no Wobeba bonten de ensem aba betutu edwa na ebiemu nsuso na no monhwe no montuatua wo mo eto taxes ne de keka ye wo no wo mo enhwe na wo mo entua na ebusuafo ne nsem a wode eto edwa no moma yenkotie embra ne ba ye beto aso.
Product is killing people. Among bebre young people are dying. I'm not scared to say it. I'm not good. You see, the issue here is I am not going to mince words and say in Sembi wo kroma I say I don't cobites. Yes. And I will quoting Dr. Wokoting more company na that information neighbor. Your I don't cobites no Aphrodite and woman is too much. What the bear for because FDA no mass source so when they clear they are destroying people. And then we are looking at Capital Smart's issue. These businessmen, they don't pay their taxes. We will be pulling their taxes out very soon. Oh, yes. Me say, Moko team for no, Mokwame despite for no, my margin said they will use radio, change narratives, and then keep criminals in power. No, we will use their own message to feed them. We will be pulling out their record. We will be pulling out their tax record. And you people will see, say they don't pay anything close to what they are making. And these people are working in Ghana, raising their chest and shoulders, and then all that they do is suppress press freedom, suppress the truth. You can't touch us. You cannot suppress us. I don't care who you are, but we need to make sure that I don't commit tests in the system. We double check it. It is that drink is killing people. Nipa Bebreu, especially the young men in Ghana. I don't commit tests. They are dying, and this is from a doctor in Kolebu. And your own people at Angel, they know. They know all these things. But you're starting here. I will have one day and do a full expose and bring out everything for people to know the kind of people. If you people are going to use your radios to suppress press freedom, to suppress the truth, we will also use the same platform to expose you people. I am going to say this again. Kwekutin, Kwame despite your friend saying, multimedia. If you people are going to use the media to suppress truth, to use the media to kill the people, to use the media to protect criminals in government, we will also use the same media to expose you, because when we expose you, we will be able to speak truth to people. Yes, so it's a new national cause. This is a fight between Loud Silence Media and you guys. We will bring out your taxes. We will bring out every single deal you guys are doing behind the scenes, making us think that you are legitimate businessmen. You are politicians, and we will treat you from today as politicians. Because if somebody is sitting on your platform and speaking truth to power and making sure that the ordinary Ghanaian knows the truth, now so on free ho dia and they be making sure that at the corner amount sir we on free or no sir the crowd, we will expose it. We will uncover everything. We will make sure that we expose especially you Kokuting. especially you Kokutin. Me say Obano, San Francisco, or the NYA, and Obeto Adonko hand sanitizers. Over 700,000. My scandal, nobody talked about it. I'm bringing it to you. It is our Shemia, and I say Unipebi Shemi, angel form of Shemi. I say I am taking it to the boss. And to only ready for me. I am bringing the fight to you. Because you cannot use that platform to suppress the truth. We will make sure we use this same platform to make sure CBA expose you. And I will do it. Me say, what don't go be personal, and all those taxes you guys are not paying, we will expose every single one of you.
Na abusia for ensema Calvin Taylor de to eja eno na mama yehwadio fa ye papa Dr. Kwaku Otene Adonko enwo ensensem yi wenye de edikan ya yeti sa ensem ye behu a ono ankasa ne ba na tese anasa ba ya na ono do Dr. Kwaku Oti edin abo ne wansafo hene na ne daughter metre ye nua ba safua edu safua ne nsem a wode ebebe tu dwa emre bi ajeso ne Dr. Kwaku Oti nya ntiwahwu ebi wode nsem betu edwa ese wono ye Adonko bitters no timi ekun krofo dodo na wo mo ekọ ye program bi achese won sensem eba ye krofo a wo mo efri mu no na Adonko bitters no advert na wo ye no na cook na ekura no sa black substance no na enye Adonko bitters na mu cook na ekura no etukudi bi said ye nua bema Calvin Taylor canon ne kwan so anu na say o ka si ensem bi eso na say ye sa mo kwampo na adenti na ye ni nipa ye adwuma ne enim say ade a wo ye enya ye ntimi enka say o ebia menua ba ma me papa de wo ye de say enkrofo dache say emrebunu no enunti no ebe ya ye nyan na nam say ye nya benefit every morning nti no ene atena ho na ya je afi ye free one on one na ye na say nipa ye bibi na ehaye ya homom na fe ye ba abonten ebebe biebie ensem so sa esu ne ban ya wo Ghana fo emu no ye de bo ebra na say ye de bo oman na ebe ye ya na sa ensu ene ban yetimi de chechire wo man ema ni yetimi ema oman no etimi edrum pempe so ye pese ye dura na wadwenche fa ensem yi hu enesen order for fa betu dwa ewotuma GH your comment section ewo ene die kwan so ene wo bo kwan so na ebiemu so no na wo like videos na wo share na wo follow him our IG page and your Twitter page Otuma GH _ Facebook and some Otuma GH na me di mo esi en mi din ede ekria sikapa dasene ye person edi ehia ebi makram.